Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to type degree symbol in Word on laptop. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document on our laptop device. Now we want to type degree symbol in this document. Firstly write some numbers. Then go to the insert menu and click symbol drop down menu, and we can see here many symbol. We find and select the degree symbol. Then we can see here we type degree symbol very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.